What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another unboxing with Peter. If you like what you see, always remember, comment, like, subscribe, share, interact. That helps a lot. I came home today to a new Star Wars box. Just give me a minute to get some crap off, and I'll show that better to you. Okay, so I'm going to take a wild guess, and I'm going to say that this box is Bounty Hunter themed. Like I said in my last Star Wars unboxing, I didn't even remember I was getting that package, so, I chose to just do the same thing. I knew this one was coming, but paid no attention, so I have no idea what anything is in this box, which makes it that much more fun. Alright, let's see what's going on. That's my little Endor chalice, my tiki mug from Disney World. You got the whole thing going on, the ship's coming, the Ewoks, everything. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. Let's see what's in this bad boy. As soon as I figure out how to open it. Alright. So I'm just going to push this box over here. Let's see the different things we got. We have a magnetic Lando Calrissian notepad, which will actually help a lot. I'm going to use the hell out of that because that will be for grocery lists. Oh, yeah. Oh. See, now I have a piggy bank that I like that I got for my birthday. For my friend Maddie. It is a Ninja Turtles piggy bank. Like, classic piggy shaped. But I might have to start a separate one because I have now a Carbonite coin bank of Han Solo. So the other one I only put silver in. Maybe this one I'll just fill with pennies. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay, not bad. Of course, I can't get that shit back in the box. Oh, wow. Really cool Jango Fett pin. Make sure you can see that. That's pretty cool. Add that to something. No, it's nothing. For future references, this is the guide to what comes in the box. These are postcards, Bounty Hunter postcards. I'm not going to open that. Official Disney licensed postcard from Star Wars there. Okay. I actually have the matching Boba Fett backpack, if you believe. Hold on a second. Yes, so this is what I received. It's a Boba Fett fanny pack. Yeah, there we go. Couldn't think of the word. Now I actually have the matching Boba Fett backpack that I already have decked out in pins and all sorts of stuff. This is my main Disney bag. So I could just go full nerd with that. Cheers to that. That's a good little find. So it doesn't look like this box is too big. But, I mean, the stuff is pretty cool. You guys know how I like my glasses. I got a Han Solo glass tumbler. This is coming right out. Coming right out. Oh, man. Oh. So it's pretty nice. I almost want to make a drink in it now. It's Han Solo. It says, it's backwards, but it says, never tell me the odds. That's nice. It's going to be my new whiskey glass. The plan always works well. So, got one more thing in here. Yeah. Swoop. Down you go. So the Saboks, them little guys, like, they look like they're moving from Enemy Mine, almost. So I got a track jacket. Nice size. Sabak, that's right. No, it's the card game. It's the game that they play. It's the game that they play in bars and shit like that. So it's like a league jacket. Sabak League, yeah. Numidian Prime Sabak League. No liars in this game. Just players. That's pretty nice. Probably a little too small for me. We'll see. We'll see in the future. I have to tell you about the future. What? So, it's a nice little unboxing. Remember, if you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Do whatever you can. P-Bert Videos, YouTube. Find me. Subscribe. I love you guys.